Here we are live forever for Scrap Battle Royal. Leon Ruff, Allen Angels, two of the best this school has to offer starting this Battle Royal off.
Absolutely, and as you said, this is a very, very special show. This is our 1-year anniversary in our new facility, and you guys are going to be in for a show, and I am looking forward to this one.
I'm definitely looking forward to it. Looks like we got some humor starting on between Ruff and Allen Angels. Trying to tell him a joke.
Oh, this is a literal joke.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Wait.
Allen.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Starting off hot.
Here we go. Richard passes here. These two taps. Arm drags. Other one.
Same idea.
It looks that way. Double kip up.
These two getting the best of each other. I don't know what to make of this.
You don't call out what you're going to do, all right? It prepares them.
Absolutely. I never understood why.
Leon Ruff is a special. They just, okay. These two are mimicking or mirroring each other.
Yeah, I think they just suplex each other.
In a way, yes. They're just, I don't know. There you go. Leon Ruff. Finally getting the advantage here. As we have our next entry in the scrap at WWA4.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's right, Marco Ugly, number 3.
Marco is one of our newest trainees here at the WWA4, but that does not mean that he's not going to be able to go ahead and show these guys what he can do. What did I tell you? This is his first real appearance out here. He wants to make a freaking name for himself.
You want to get a name? Taking out Ruff and
He came out like a bat out of hell. Look at him.
Look at him. He's stalking them.
standing tall right now.
He is sizably bigger than both. Leon Ruff tried to get to his feet, but kind of failed at that. We have our 4th entry in the scrap at WWA4. Let's see who it is.
Oh, this is the song. Got it. I'm excited.
Oh no.
Not this guy.
Oh no.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who don't know, this is Bait Nation. This is Fletcher Malone. And as you can tell by the reaction that he's getting, he's not well liked here. He's got his camera out for his selfies. He's got the vape. And he now runs with our intergender champion, Ashton Starr.
More reasons to not like him. Yeah, he is not endearing himself.
Taking a kick for his troubles. Vaping the man's face, and that's pretty much what you deserve.
Are we going to have our first elimination?
Not over the top rope.
You have to go over the top rope. I need to get him back in just to do it.
Wait, what's going on?
There's a loophole here.
They went through the middle. The ref says no.
They work.
Said, I'm going to flip on him. We're going to get him
Exactly. Are they working together right now?
And now he's eliminated. Marco Ugly. The first eliminated person in the match.
We are now joined by Cabron Canyon. One of the most tenured members of the WWA4 roster here. Still in this thing, he heads to the top. Double belly to belly from Cabron County, who just came here like a bat out of hell.
Came in on fire.
No hesitation from the wily veteran here at WWA4.
Not at all. He's trying to get Fletcher Malone now. He's clinging onto the ropes right now.
Look who it is. Former tag team champion here, Damian Parker. Look at this gear on Damian Parker. The lights are on bright, he said. I'm bringing
Oh!
Big drop kick.
special drop kick off the top.
Damian Parker making a return after being out actually with injury. And he's back here like just like Cab, out here with fire in their hearts. This is crazy. What's going on here? Oh! And all his momentum is gone. Alan Angels is now the only man kind of up in all of this.
This action, I mean, every man down. Uh-oh.
Oh! Big time veteran. Former TNA superstar, Impact superstar, Shinron, joined the scrap here to WWA4. He's amazing. Oh, what's he doing?
Now this
Oh,
is some
man.
Yeah.
Oh!
Vinci and Leon Ruff. Shuts it down. Very smart of Alan Angel to slow down.
He's a bit too athletic for all of that. Oh! Yikes! Oh my God. He's a freaking specimen. This guy trains in gymnastics like no one else. He's also a trainer for in gymnastics for the future. Oh, teetering, teetering.
It's still there.
Oh no, oh no. Woo! Just hesses his way back into this match.
And another WWA4 legend here, Tony Midas.
Tony Midas has a sweet spot. This guy came up at the same time I came up, and I want to see he's going to toe ahead, show them what the business is. All right, hit that Midas touch. Oh, oh maybe not. Oh, maybe.
That's legal, I guess, right?
Really, you know what? He's utilizing the fact that he can go ahead and use that hairspray. Everyone's getting the hairspray. Crispy faces everywhere. But he did not go up to his stablemate, Damian Parker. Uh-oh. Okay. Some camaraderie. Richards in the WWA4 scrap match. Another match.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to point out that a very special show and a very special match. We get talent from all over. We get the historic legends. We get the guys from Mexico. We get the guys from across the pond in the UK.
Absolutely.
I mean, this is exciting.
Absolutely. There's no telling who's going to come out.
It shows you the diversity that WWA4 has garnered over the last couple of years as they continue to grow. Oh!
There's so much action going on right now.
Everyone's just battering each other. You can start to see the lethargicness on everybody as they just give it all in this match. Tony Midas just took a little walk, I assume. I think that was on purpose. Uh-oh.
Tony Midas is definitely still in this match. Cameron Canyon might not be a little bit.
Leon Ruff wasn't able to get the job done. Damian Parker trying to assist him.
Wow, look at Vinci with the handstand still in this.
He's just being a freak over there. One of our newest recruits here at the WWA4. Oh! Debuting in this scrap battle.
Oh, no, caught catches it. Yo, the power on this shit. Oh, my God.
Just flipping people around.
Everybody.
Throwing them over.
Everyone's getting an exploder. Everyone's getting the exploder. Exploder for you, exploder for you.
Tony going for that Midas touch. Can he be the one? Nope. Oh, no.
Oh, big spear. Tony has to be broken in half.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mason Tyler has just entered the fray here.
Mason Tyler's it.
The chaos is moving. Holy crap. energy here. This is chaotic. I don't know how many people we have in the ring right now.
This is crazy. I love it. Action everywhere. I don't know what to call. This is great.
Oh!
Big Samoan drop.
Mason Ty's like, I'm gonna come out here. I'm gonna get some stuff done too. Is he gonna eliminate Leon Ruff? No.
That be an elimination so soon?
Is he out?
Okay.
He saved himself.
He's hanging in there.
Teetering. He's teetering.
If he gets those fingers separated.
Alan Angel's working together.
And Mason's gone.
King Garuda. Top here.
Top. This is where he's most comfortable.
Like we said, King Garuda from Mexico, one of our luchadores here at WWA4. The intensity. Out of this match here in WWA4 scrap. And King Garuda's not holding up for anybody. He's still going. Let everyone get a little bit of it.
Then she almost out of here. He's in a very dangerous position. And now Alan Angel's in that position.
Angels was one of the first men to start this match here. He's still in it.
And I don't know if you guys can tell. Pay close attention to the mouth of Tony Midas. He has been busted open, ladies and gentlemen, in this match.
Oh, Lord. That's the intensity that they are showing here at the scrap match. Poor Tony Midas, like I said, I got softball on him, but he was spraying people in the face with hairspray. I do not know what to follow. It's all over the place. Action is fast and furious here at WWA4.
Tony Midas going at it. Back and forth, these two trading shots.
I don't know, was that the lethargicness? Was that the tiredness? He just
I think so.
Took a little bit too much. He couldn't keep going. We have our first female entrance.
Business is about to pick up. I want to point out that this is the first female heavyweight champion here in the WWA4, and that ass is nothing to play with.
I think we all have learned that, unfortunately, in that.
Yeah, here we go.
She's throwing that booty.
Here we go.
Oh no, what she's going for? She looks like she's setting up for her famous.
Is she gonna eliminate him? No. What's that, ref? What's that?
What's she going for here? Looks like she's going for it. Damn knee shot to Fletcher Malone. Damn knee shot to Zixi. Who else is gonna get the booty?
Oh no.
Oh no. I don't think they've learned that does not work for her. We have the remarkable Ryan Rembrandt entering the scrap here at the WWA4. Is she doing it? Oh no!
Wait, does that count? He just kicked Ryan Rembrandt off.
He hasn't entered the ring yet. It has not started for him.
We gotta clarify, ladies and gentlemen.
There's so much going on right now. Oh God, David Ali is here.
Wait.
Oh no.
All right, so David's the next. And these two are brawling. Wait.
What do we have going on over here? Dave Ali was making his way to the scrap battle. The scrap battle here at WWA4.
You know.
They all taking it out here on the floor. I don't think they even care about this match.
These two had a 20-minute classic this last Thursday, and they still can't get it.
Double close out on the outside as the action continues inside the ring. When we have our next MC make his way to the ring, it's just too much, you know.
Wait, look. What's her name? She's new here. She
was.
I mean, she took out
don't
Ashley
know.
Starr the other day. I
She
don't
did.
know what.
We have another debut here in the WWA4 scrap battle.
Big things happening here.
Some lucha from a young Yankee make her debut here.
I just got word from the back that her name is Genesis, ladies and gentlemen. This is her official debut. We have a newcomer here at the WWA4.
Another woman, huh? I'm happy to see this. Genesis with the double E to the corner to Alan Angel. She's trying to take him out. But we still have David Ali and Randy Rimba brawling out here on the outside. They have not made it into this match.
In the ring, we have
Oh, no.
action out of the ring.
Oh!
Genesis dives on everybody.
But she's not out of the match because she went through the second rope and not over the top rope. And she took out both the two people who were not paying attention to what's going on here, keeping them down even longer. We now have our next entry. Jordan making her way into the WWA4 scrap. Oh, German for you.
German.
Oh! Big forearm from Danny Jordan. Now she goes ahead and what is it? What's it? Another German! I'm a big fan of this guy.
Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to this crowd that we have here live. They are in love. They love this guy, Coyote Sandstorm.
I mean, I personally think he's amazing. And I hope he wins this whole thing.
Oh my gosh.
That's who I'm pulling for. Uh-oh. Oh! Flipping through here.
Out of it.
Oh no!
That J drop. Oh! He hits her with the shooting star press.
Standing shooting star press. This man is an insane athlete. Just uncomparable. It just does not work.
Oh!
He's out.
J says not today.
Wow. Danny Jordan taking out one of our biggest veterans here at the WWA4 scrap battle. And the match is continuing.
The legendary Vinci has been eliminated. Now these two, Danny J, Double D Rose, going at it.
Oh, she's
God.
going
Oh,
for
God,
it.
no! Oh!
Oh, just a little squitch to start your day. This action is absolutely insane here at the WWA4 building as we celebrate our 1 year inside of our new facility here.
And ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you see, if you see all these different styles, all these different wrestlers, all these different personalities, they are each trained by A.R. Fox. And if you see somebody that you like, if this is what you want to do, if this is your dream, please visit WWA4ATL.com. Fill out an application. Come take a tour. Come take the camp. We'll teach you how to wrestle. We'll teach you how to live your dreams. But in the meantime, we got this one. Oh! And that goes Ruff with that triangle drop kick by Alan Angel.
Uh-oh. Leon Ruff is outside this match. It looks like Genesis is trying to eliminate Danny Jordan. She's on the outside. She needs to get back in this ring because she's already went over the top. So she drops, she's out. What? Oh, now we have both ladies on the outside. They're going back and forth here.
Danny J, this can't be good.
They both went over the top rope, so if they fall down, this is done for both of them.
I want to point out that this is the hardest part of the ring.
It is very much so the hardest part of the
We're trying
ring.
to stay away from this as competitive.
What is she going for here?
Wait, what is happening?
Oh!
What the hell? Genesis and Danny Jordan got eliminated by Sandstorm. He wasn't even in the match.
What?
Even out here.
Where did he come from?
Ashton Starr has issue with both Danny Jordan and Genesis, and he just showed us why as he eliminated both women in this WWA4 scrap. Royal, this is insane.
Oh!
Coyote Sandstorm in the ring trying to show out.
So I guess they're both eliminated,
Yeah,
right?
they're
They
both-
over the top.
they both
That's
went over the
unfortunate.
top.
We got to do something about Ashley Starr. What's that about, man?
Absolutely. Not even in the
Coyote.
match. Big knee by Coyote Sandstorm.
Oh!
Lights him on his head.
Yeah! Oh!
Oh!
Tony Midas is out.
And Tony Midas is gone.
We are down to our last four.
We have Double D Rose, Fletcher Malone. How's he still in this?
I don't know.
Alan Angels and Coyote Sandstorm.
No, we have
And
six.
is that David and Ryan?
David and Ryan still have not entered the ring. That's
Oh,
the
they
guy.
haven't entered the match.
Officially in this match.
These two are going at it still. Oh!
And they just,
They're both gone. They're both eliminated.
okie dokie. And they're still going.
Not done. They are not done.
Going at it. Duke, get it out. Oh my God. Watch my car though.
They are on the outside. I do not know what's going on here. The heart's palpable, but we got to bring the action back inside the ring as we are our 4 last contenders here in the WWA4 scrap battle.
Action's still going on here. Final 4 for real now, right? No more surprises. Nobody else coming back out.
This is the last one.
Oh! Poor little Coyote. Uh-oh. Double D Rose. Alan Angels facing off here. Oh, back and forth, forearm after forearm.
Down right now. This has to be everything that's left in them. Alan Angels has been in since. Wow. What a drop kick.
Beautiful drop.
It was. She got all of that drop kick.
Oh, another one to the back of the head.
She's wavering here. Oh, it's gonna take a little more than that to get out Double D Rose.
Exactly. A little bit more. What did the ref say? What did he say? Oh, no, okay. Angels are still in this thing.
Oh! Hung up on the ropes here. He's trying to peel her from out of the ring onto the floor for the loss. Oh!
They're both on the apron.
Both of these guys are now in trouble when it comes to being eliminated in this WWA4 scrap. Both have went over the top rope. Oh no. Oh no. I don't think they see the two rookies. Oh no, didn't work. Didn't work. Oh, nope, didn't work either.
Still not working.
Champion Alan Angels and a former heavyweight champion Double D Rose.
What?
What's going on here?
I don't believe it.
I told you, man. Come on, it's Coyote's moment here. As he faces off. Absolutely. Fletcher Malone is such a slimy. I mean, why is he wait? Look at him. He doesn't even care about how he looks.
Right.
No effort.
Oh, looks like somebody just showed up and decided I want to do this. Oh.
Seems that way, exactly.
Slugging it out.
As we said, these are two of our newest trainees here at WWA4. These two have less than 5 matches under their belt individually. Oh, no! Fletcher Malone showing a bit more hustle here in these final 2 in this WWA4 scrap battle as he tries to go ahead and get Coyote Sandstorm out of this match. But he will not allow it. He is not wavering. Big kick from Coyote Sandstorm.
That's right, that jumping roundhouse. Oh! And both men are down.
Who's gonna win? Down to the final 2.
Crowd is rallying behind these two. And we got Coyote Sandstorm and Fletcher Malone.
Sandstorm.
This is incredible. 2 of the newest people here.
Made it the farthest. I am very impressed.
And they're giving it their all. They're showing what they deserve.
Uh-oh. Both up to their feet. Uh-oh, he has that vape again. Oh!
Mr. Vape!
Oh!
Again.
Just rolling out of the way. Oh! Big kick to the midsection to Fletcher Malone.
Here we go. What's this? Oh! Coyote Sandstorm's got the vape. Vape!
Oh no! He doesn't have a lung for it. Oh, he tried. There's no rules in this match, and he's taking advantage of. Oh!
What disrespect.
Just a slimy character he is. Ugh. Everything about Fletcher Malone is disgusting.
I agree.
Oh!